guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I went over into Target because that's kind of like my thing when Scarlett's in school. Sawyer and I go over to Target and it was such a good trip. I had a fantastic cashier and Sawyer had a huge breakthrough in the line of Starbucks. I have been trying to get this kid to drink from a straw for a long time. Just a little backstory with Sawyer. He's currently in speech therapy right now to help improve his speech, and his therapist had said, you know, get him off bottles, get him off rubber sippy cups. So transitioning him from a rubber sippy cup hardtop to a hardtop was challenging in itself, but we were in the line of Starbucks and he saw juice. He pointed to juice, said he wanted juice. So one, he's using his words to tell me what he wants. And two, he was so desperate for that juice that he actually drank from a straw. And he drank from a straw the whole entire time. So I am so proud of my little boy over there. So we are so proud of you, Sawyer. So I thought I would go ahead and add that in there because that made Target more exciting. And when I was in the Starbucks line, I actually was able to pop onto Llewellyn's YouTube Live, so that was fun too. But I found out that her husband had an allergic reaction in the process, so you know, Llewellyn, we're hoping that everything's okay with Anthony because that is so incredibly scary. So definitely send Llewellyn and her husband some prayers here because I haven't heard back from her yet, so I'm hoping everything is okay. So yeah, let us know, Llewellyn. I'm sure most of you watching were probably on her live as well. So now I'm going to get into the deals. So I did 4 transactions over at Target. My cashier was so coupon friendly. He was awesome. I actually am going to call and let them know how great my experience was. His name's Robert and he was just fantastic with me. And I appreciate that so much since last week I didn't have the best transactions at Target with my the manager. You guys have seen the video. So anyways, I was watching Free Stuff Finder last night, so a few of these deals are credit to her, so thank you, Tina. So first thing I picked up was the Gillette Satin Care 2-packs. My store was fully stocked with these, so lucky me that my store was stocked fully. So the deal on these guys, they are $2.69 each, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $5 Target gift card. So even without a manufacturer coupon, this makes for an awesome deal after your gift card. But there is a $1 off coupon inside Cartwheel, and then there are P&G coupons. And thank you guys so much for sending me those P&G coupons. I got a ton of P&G, I got a ton of Poise pad coupons. You guys are amazing. So I was able to do the Gillette shave gel deal because one of you sent me P&G coupons. So thank you so much. So I bought 2 of them. There's 2 $1 off 1 coupons from the April P&G. So I paid $3.38, and then I got back a $5 Target gift card for buying 2. So that was great. So then I rolled that gift card into my next transaction. So I rolled that $5 transaction into my next transaction, which I picked up the Gillette Venus Simply 3 6-pack razors. So these guys are priced for $5.99 each, and you're going to get a $5 Target gift card when you buy 2 of them. So I bought 2 of them, and then I used 2 of the 3 off 1 Venus disposable razor coupons. Now this coupon did beep, but the coupon is within the guidelines of the coupon. So just have the manager input it. I know that's kind of a scary thing to try to get the manager to come and override, but the coupon will work. So you can use 2 of those 3 off 1 coupons. And then there's also a 3 off 1 you can send through the Target Cartwheel app. So I paid, and then I used that $5 Target gift card. So I paid $5.98, and then I got back another $5 Target gift card, which then I rolled to the cleaning deal. So what I did is I bought Well, first off, there is a cleaning gift card deal. So when you spend $15 or more in select cleaning products, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. You can text CLEAN to 827438, or you can find this coupon in the Target ad or in your Target cartwheels. So what I did is I picked up 2 of the Scrubbing Bubble toilet cleaning gel thingies, and it says this is a 2-month supply, so awesome. And then I picked up 2 of these Scrubbing Bubble gel toilet bowl cleaners, and there are 15% Target cartwheels for the Scrubbing Bubbles. And then I picked up a Clorox Scentiva bathroom foam cleanser. So my store has the toilet cleaning gels for $4.19, and then the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet bowl cleaner, $1.99. And then this Clorox Scentiva foam cleaner, this guy was $3.49. So the coupons that I used in this transaction, I gave the cashier my $5 gift card when I spend $15 or more in cleaning products. I gave that coupon first. And then I gave 2 of the buy one, get one free coupons from coupons.com for the Scrubbing Bubbles. So when you buy the toilet cleaning gel, you get the toilet bowl cleaner for free. So I used 2 of those because it's a limit of 2 on the coupon. And then I used a printable 75-cent coupon for the Clorox Scentiva bathroom foam cleanser. And then 15% came off from the Target cartwheel. So I paid, and then I used that $5 Target gift card from the razors. So I paid $10.52, and then I got back a $5 Target gift card, which then I rolled to my last transaction. So then I rolled over to my last transaction. So I picked up 2 of these new Secret Freshies on the go. It's like a solid deodorant, like it kind of looks like the EOS lip balms, but it's on the go deodorant, which I thought was really cool. Perfect for summer because we get super sweaty in the summertime. So these all deodorants are buy one, get one 25% off. So I bought the first deodorant for $4.99, and then the second one rang up 25% off. And then I used $2 off 1 coupons for the Secret deodorant. So you can find one inside Target Cartwheel, and then you can find one inside of the April P&G. And then there is $1 back Ibottas for the Secret deodorant. So I was able to get $1 back on Ibotta for both of these. And then I picked up this Simulacin Kids Irritated Eye Relief eye drops. So these are at clearance at my store for $5.94. Regions may vary in terms of the price. And then I used a 5 off 1 coupon that came in this past week's Smart Store. So regions are going to vary in terms of what clearance price your store has, but my store had $5.94. So I paid 94 cents, and then I submitted $3 to Ibotta. So this was a moneymaker right here. And then I also picked up just a taco seasoning packet. I guess I'll show you the rest of my haul. And then I found this in the dollar spot for the kids. So this one is Scarlett's. It's like a ice cream painting thing. And then also I got this one for Sawyer. He picked out the Paw Patrol. These are just $1. Fun activities to keep the kids busy. And then the Jenny O ground turkey, these guys were on sale. They were $3.57. Then I got back $7 in Ibotta credit. So that was everything in my Target haul. So I'm so happy that my Target transactions went better than last week. So Target has definitely redeemed themselves with me. So I'm super excited. And I thought I would go ahead and test this guy out on camera with you guys. So this is the Secret Freshies on the go, and this is in the scent Cool Water Lily, and this is super perfect because I'm pretty sure I forgot to put deodorant on today. So yeah, so good time to try it out, right? Because I totally forgot. So this is what it is right here, and it's like a round ball right here, and then you just open it up, and here's the deodorant. And it smells so good. So we're just gonna test it. We're gonna try it on. So this is so cool. And then you could just pop this into your bag or your beach bag, your gym bag. I'm probably gonna put this in my hospital bag for delivery. But this is so cool, and it's easy to transport and stuff. You could even put this in your car. But yeah, I love this. So I've been excited to try this. So I'm glad they were on a buy one, get one 25% off. Plus we had coupons and we have Ibotta offers. So if you're curious in trying this product out, head to Target and try it out. But just be really careful if you have EOS lip balms, because they kind of look similar. So you don't want to accidentally, like, you know, put this on your lip or think it's a lip balm, because it's not a lip balm, it's deodorant. So yeah, I think you should definitely give this guy a try. So we'll see. I don't know how the wear power is on these secret deodorants, because I usually go with men's deodorants, but hopefully that guy is going to be a winner. So this was everything that I have in my Target haul. So hopefully you guys can get out to Target and do some of these deals. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic Tuesday. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye.